Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube page. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys how to style this dress that I'm wearing. It's from Zara, Shane has it, Stradivarius has it, so many brands have it anyway. PLT has their own, which is like this, and so other brands, but I like the Zara own, and let me show you guys how I styled it. First of all, layering is like the key to like restyling your outfits and also getting like ruffles, cropped up and all of that. And have you guys realized that the stuff our moms used to wear back then, like the shoes, the net shoes, the skull, all of them are coming back to fashion trend? Like, that's what I tell you guys, like you just need to know how to restyle your outfits, because most of the time you really do not need to buy something new. With this dress, I layered it with like two different skirts. I layered it with this dress. I layered it with this white skirt, and as easy with this crop I have from Zara too. It's just layered. I also use a shirt, and you can use a jacket like I did here too, and I'm just going to be showing you guys in this video. Okay, don't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and turn your notification and follow me on all my socials and click your bell. Let's get into it. Okay guys, here is the dress. This is how it looks without any attachment. It's just a simple black dress, and I just wore it with a flat. You can wear this on a hot summer day or spring with a jacket or whatever. But for this hack, this first one, we're going to be wearing this crop top. This is like a crop ruffle top I got from Zara like a year and a half ago. This top is like, it just gives you that elevation with this top. It looks like a contrast dress. Like, you're just going to see what I'm going to do now. It's can you see, like, it's really cropped. Like, it's an off shoulder. You can also wear it with, it has like a tiny hand, but I'm going to wear it as an off shoulder, and I'm going to tuck in the crop part inside, so it looks like it's a dress on its own. So it looks like a black and white dress. This is how it is, guys. What do you think about it? So this is the first style I got from this dress, and this is perfect, guys. This is like, you can wear heels with this one if you want to, but I just decided to wear it with a flat, and I like how it looked. It just looks simple and classy, you know. And for the second one, I'm going to be layering, guys. This is like a, you know, let's go to the Met Gala, or let's go for an occasion and want to be extra and you don't have what to wear. It's like I'm wearing 3 pairs of skirts. So I wore this skirt, this white skirt. You all know this skirt. And I'm going to like tuck it in. Like, I have one viral. I'm going to tuck it in. I think you guys have seen how I did this on Instagram, but I'm just going to do the same thing here. I'm just going to tuck it in, and I'm going to also layer it with another black skirt. I'm going to do this in 2 different ways. So just keep watching, okay? So yeah, for the first one, after you've layered it with the white skirt, this is how it looks like. This is like just a simple dress. Like, it's like I added another skirt on that, and you guys can see it's still a ball dress. It's like extra ball dress. So for the third one, geez, I almost fell down here. Okay, I'm going to be adding this dress. It's also a Zara dress, but I bought it like 2 years ago. It's just like a tiny hand dress, but it's like flay. So I'm going to be adding it on that. Don't ask me if I'm hot. It's fashion, you know. So it's like, I just want to have like a ball dress. And can you guys see? I kind of like achieved it. Like, what do you think? Oh my god, the way my brain works, you know. Oh, God, they create. Anyway, so this is how it looks here. This is how the third style looks like, and this is it, guys. No stress, nothing. Like, I say, this is the reason why I have to like keep some clothes, because I just feel like sometimes I would need it for like something, and this is it. This came handy. Like, imagine I have a wedding to attend and I don't have what to wear. Like, this is just perfect for me, or an event or a gala or something. I just need to like get more nice accessories, change my hair, and I'm good to go. So he has pockets, and which is what I was trying to do there, and that's the bag, and that's it, guys. What do you think? Okay, so I'm going to take it off, yeah, and I'm going to try it with another black ball dress I have, but this is it's like a mini ball dress. So I'm going to like try it with that one on my left hand, and this is how it looks. The black is not the same shade with the one I have on. That's why I didn't use it in the first place, but I just want to see how it will look like though, because this is quite shorter than the flay one, and this is like ball. So let's see how it will look like, guys. I don't know. I was just trying different stuff here. I wish I had something more colorful, but I think the black and white still goes though. Like, okay, see it. This is what it looks like too. What do you guys think? Are you team short, long, or midi? Because this is like the midi length, and we have the long one and we have the short one. What do you think? So right now I'm just trying to take this off, and I want to try the dress with the white skirt long version. So I'm going to remove the white skirt and I'm just going to try that. Okay. Okay, here we go. This is the maxi skirt, the white skirt, the usual way. This is just like a regular way to wear it if you're wearing this with a maxi skirt. It serves as a peplum on the skirt. And lastly, I turned it into a top. So what I did was I just tucked in the upper layer, and that's it. There you go, guys. What do you think? This is just an extra one, yeah. So if you don't like all the paparazzi I did earlier, you don't like the layers, the ruffles, and you just want to style it this way, and this is it. Thought today, I don't know why. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, follow me for more styling tips and style videos, and let me know if you like me to style a particular trend or something in the comments, and I'll do just that for you. And also follow me on all social media channels, Afikipel, TikTok. Please follow me on my TikTok. I'm just starting a new page, so yeah, I love you guys to be there, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you guys.